So if your iPhone recent calls are missing, blank, or not updating, here are the best fixes. First, close phone app completely, then reopen it. Sometimes the recent tab simply glitches and needs a refresh. Second, restart your iPhone. A quick reboot fixes many temporary bugs after updates or network issues. Third, check your iOS version and update if available. Apple often fixes call log bugs in newer updates. Fourth, make sure your data and time are set automatically. Go to settings, general, date and time. Wrong time settings can mess with call history order. Fifth, turn iCloud syncing for contacts on and off if names are missing but numbers still show. And lastly, if nothing works, go to settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset, and then reset network settings. Because this often fixes persistent call related issues. Try these steps one by one and you should be good. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.